Okay, so in this lesson I want to talk about the parts palette, and this is one of my favorite features in the editing environment because it really gives you power and allows you to edit everything you have on the page at one time. And it's flexible so it can handle any content organization arrangement you can imagine. So in this case, I'm going to actually edit this page. So we're going to start diving into some editing task, if you will, because the part palette is a perfect place to illustrate that. So I'm going to jump into my site. And this is the page I'm actually creating for this coaching lesson. And I've got an article on my page that has some parts in it. So here's my article. It's got 3 parts. You'll notice here also that the video is here, but it's currently unpublished because I'm creating it now. So I'm going to edit this article. And well, let me back up real quick. One way to go after this, if I want to change the text here and I want to change the picture, I can go and click on the text and I can edit this. I can make a change. I could save it. And then move on to the picture and upload a picture here. But this is really a cumbersome task because you're working on the web, you could have a slow internet connection. And so you want to sort of speed through this and be able to edit multiple things at the same time. So in this case, I'm going to edit my article. And now I have access to my parts palette. So the parts palette it shows you an icon for each part, and it gives you a picture sort of indicating what type of part it is. And then you're going to have these parts are the same things that are in my Contents tab here, right? And we touched on the Mini Edit feature in the Contents tab earlier. Well, this feature is connected to the Parts palette. So when I click Mini Edit, it takes me to the part. Clicking on a part in the Parts palette takes me to the part. So now you can see how you can get to individual parts quickly within a section of the site and make changes. So in my case, I know I needed to highlight a part, or this term here. So I wanted this to be bold. So I'm making a change here. And then I'm going to go to my picture part, and I'm going to actually replace the picture. So I'm going to go grab an image, and I know I've got a picture of a tree house here that I like. I'm going to open that, and I'm just going to upload that part. All right, so now I've actually made 2 changes. Now they're not live yet. If I cancel, those changes are going to go away. But if I save it, go back to my site, and refresh, I'm going to see that I've got a live change on my site and I've got a picture of a treehouse. Okay, so I did all that through the parts palette. I went to the article, I clicked edit, click on a part to make a change. One last thing, as you're working through the site and editing, you're going to be using the parts palette here in conjunction with the contents tab. So if you move things around, move it to the top, your parts are going to change, right? You can still get your part edited, and then when you save it, you'll have a live change in your site, and you'll sort of see what's going to happen here. Okay, instant change on my site, simple and easy, all because of the parts palette.